Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through how to set an expiration date for a shared folder link using the Dropbox app on your phone. Managing shared links is important for controlling access and enhancing security, especially when sharing sensitive files. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the Files section. This will open up a list of all your saved files and folders inside your Dropbox account. Then, scroll through your list and find the folder you want to manage. Once you locate it, tap on the three dots next to the folder name to open the Options menu. Now, select Share from the list of actions. After that, tap on Modify Settings. Here, you will see various permissions related to the folder. Here, you will find the option to set an expiration date for the shared link. Tap on Set Expiration Date, then enter the date when you want the link to expire. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Choose Date. Then tap on Save the changes. It is important to note that the option to set an expiration date for a shared link is only available for Dropbox Professional users. If you do not have this subscription, you may not see this feature in your app. By following these simple steps in the app, you can easily manage who has access and for how long, enhancing your data security.